What's up everyone, Alexander here, and today we're unboxing the brand new Nothing Phone 4a Pro, the mid-range phone that looks and feels way more like a flagship. We'll see exactly what you get in the box, how that aluminum unibody and Glyph Matrix look in real life, and I'll share my first impressions before I set it up. Nothing isn't releasing a big flagship this year. Instead, they're focusing on the 4A series, and the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is the more premium model in that lineup. Depending on your region, it starts at around $499 for the base RAM and storage, and goes up if you choose the 12 gig RAM and 256 gig storage variant. So this unboxing is for everyone who's asking, what do I actually get for that money, and does the phone feel as high-end as the marketing photos suggest? Right on top, we're greeted by the Nothing Phone 4a Pro itself, wrapped in this protective paper. I'll put the phone to the side for a second and we'll see what else is inside the box. Then we'll come back to the hardware and do a closer tour. Under the phone, there's a slim accessory box. Let's open that. Inside, you'll find a transparent protective case so you can use the phone safely right out of the box while still showing off the design. A USB-C to USB-C cable, nothing branded. This is your main charging and data cable. A little Nothing SIM ejector tool with that minimal design. And the usual paperwork, safety information, warranty card, and a quick start guide. There's also a screen protector pre-applied on the phone, plus a matching 4a Pro case in the box on many retail versions, which is a nice extra for a mid-range device. What you don't get is a power brick. There's no charger included in the box, so you'll need to use an existing USB-C charger or buy a separate one that supports fast charging. So that's all the accessories. Pretty minimal, but you do get the essentials to protect the phone from day one. Alright, let's take a closer look at the phone itself. Peeling off the wrapper. And yeah, this feels a lot more premium than older Nothing A series phones. The 4a Pro has a metal unibody, aluminum rear panel, and aluminum frame instead of the more plasticky builds we saw previously. The design is still very Nothing. On the back, you have that Glyph Matrix around the camera module with individually addressable mini LEDs that can light up for notifications, charging, and custom patterns. Compared to the older phones, the 4a Pro is actually slimmer, around 8mm, and weighs about 210 grams, which feels substantial but not crazy heavy in the hand. You can see all the small details here, exposed screws, the dotted patterns, and a mostly metal back with just a transparent window around the camera island to showcase the glyph lights. Color-wise, the phone comes in finishes like black, silver, and a soft pink, depending on your preference. I've got the silver finish version here, and it definitely doesn't look like a typical budget phone. Let's do a quick tour around the frame. On the right side, you've got the power button and the volume rocker. On the left side, there's the essential key, a customizable button you can use for shortcuts in Nothing OS. On the top, you'll see a small microphone hole for noise cancellation. And on the bottom, you've got the SIM tray, the main microphone, the USB-C port, and the speaker grill. The whole body is rated IP65, so it's dust tight and resistant to low pressure water jets and heavy rain. Just don't treat it like a fully waterproof IP68 phone or take it swimming on purpose. On the front, we've got a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1.5K resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels. Nothing is advertising up to 5000 nits peak brightness with around 1600 nits in outdoor boost, so this should be easily viewable in direct sunlight. The bezels are pretty slim and uniform, and there's a small punch hole cutout at the top for the selfie camera. You also get HDR10 Plus support and Ultra HDR photo support in compatible apps. For a mid-range phone, this screen is clearly one of the main selling points. Let me power it on so you get an idea of the boot experience. You're greeted by the usual Nothing boot animation and then the Android setup screen. I'll go through all of that off camera. Sign into Google, transfer my apps, set up fingerprints, and tune a few settings. And once I've used this for a few days, I'll come back with a full review. So that's the unboxing and first look at the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. In the box, you're getting the phone itself, a pre-applied screen protector, a clear case, a USB-C cable, the SIM ejector tool, and paperwork, but no power adapter, plus this really premium aluminum unibody design and that updated Glyph Matrix on the back. If you want to see camera tests, gaming performance, battery drain, and a full comparison against other mid-range phones, make sure you hit like, subscribe to Techxandar, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the follow-up videos. Drop your questions about the 4a Pro in the comments and I'll try to cover them in the full review. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.